Welcome to the world of heavy machinery, modern innovations and the transformative impact of technology. "50 agricultural machines working frantically. Advanced agricultural technology." Coming to the Kweco Slurry Tanker Semi-trailer with a capacity of 30,000. The undercarriage system integrates with the vehicle frame with integrated wheel structures. The hydraulic axle suspension system helps improve the vehicle's damping ability. Next up is the Enjambeur T150 W. The ability to continuously adjust the track from 2 to 2.9 meters makes it suitable for all types of vineyards and all agricultural work. And this is the faster-holt FM 4900, designed with irrigation pipe lengths up to 800 meters by 110 millimeters and 650 meters by 125 millimeters. The irrigation machine has wheels with a width of 205 centimeters, flexibly when moving around the field. With a total length of 920 centimeters, a length without traction is 685 meters, height is 420 meters. This is a perfect machine for agriculture. Total weight with water is 13,400 kilos, and the distance between the two wheels is 205 to 225 centimeters. Next comes the SDS 8000, with sprinkler rods ranging from 24 to 36 meters in length, equipped with 2 or 7x8 distributors. The spray tube has a diameter of 45 millimeters, with a distance of 30 centimeters between tubes to help ensure optimal coverage during operation. The irrigation system is supported by a flexible hose, with a length of up to 650 meters for the 4-inch version and 550 meters for the 5-inch version. Additionally, the SDS 8000 is equipped with Michelin Mega X-Bib wheels, providing stability and durability. And this is the Heliodor Lemken Saltair 9, with the ability to work from 2 to 16 meters in width. The Heliodor is a versatile agricultural tool. Suitable for tractors with a capacity from 50 to 640 horsepower. The machine's capable of digging up to 12 centimeters deep. The 510mm diameter concave discs are protected from dirt and water, mounted in discrete angular contact ball bearings, and require no maintenance. Next is the Agbot Agseed, which offers perfect performance with a 75 horsepower diesel engine and a 170-litre fuel tank for continuous operation. Featuring a high-performance diesel generator, the Agbot is equipped with an optional electric-powered power takeoff. Provides flexible and efficient electric drive. And here is the Stout Smart Cultivator, which has an advanced motion control system applied to limit soil movement, promoting efficiency. Independent 3-point suspension design allows the machine to move independently from the tractor, enhancing flexibility during operation. The machine incorporates a rugged automotive-style controller to ensure durability and reliability. The easy-to-use machine interface helps the operator easily navigate and control the machine. And this is the Maya Automatic LK, with performance ranging from 0.08 to 0.15 hectares per hour. The time to pick a single tree only takes 0.5 to 1 minute, helping to optimize productivity and work efficiency. The machine platform is capable of holding up to 500 kilograms, ensuring large and convenient transport capacity. tractors with a minimum PTO capacity of 70 horsepower, Agritech is the perfect combination of performance and energy savings. Right now, let's come to the Automech new Herbex 9200, which is a self-propelled machine on a flywheel equipped with 230mm cutting unit, allowing harvesting into bins. The machine is equipped with a large 500 by 500 cm rear working platform and wind protection panels around the entire perimeter. This self-propelled machine on wheels achieves impressive harvesting speeds, covering 100 meters in just 58 seconds. The 170cm frame allows for the simultaneous loading and filling of more than 4 barrels, achieving a remarkable harvest rate of 70 quintals per hour. This is the Topavi M6 Pro, a new fan design that helps improve the product harvesting process, increasing the ability to work quickly. Using large-size XL feed screws helps increase the speed of product transportation to the peeler. 2 independent suspensions not only increase product transport capacity, but also keep the internal space free of contamination, as they do not contain any hydraulic elements. The system of 2 independent discharge screws provides flexibility, allowing products to be discharged individually or combined, depending on the farmer's needs. Next up is the Kare Anatis robot, which integrates a pair of dual Trimble GPS antennas, ensuring improved signal reception to maintain constant course. Operating as soon as the tree reaches 3 centimeters in diameter, the camera completes the function of GPS. With a travel distance of 300 millimeters, this system ensures better tracking of crop rows, increasing precision during fieldwork. The Auto Agri IC reduces soil weight by 30%, an important factor in maintaining soil health and promoting optimal plant growth. The Anatis system integrates a plug-in hybrid engine, operates at low speeds, and has a low overall vehicle weight. This combination reduces emissions by an estimated 30 to 60% depending on the application. Making zero-emission agriculture feasible and environmentally friendly for many agricultural applications. Soon, we will explore the Asterix weed robot, which can significantly reduce herbicide use by up to 95%. Where 50 liters of its herbicide is equivalent to the performance of 1,000 liters in a traditional sprayer. In particular, the weight of the AX1, about 10% less than that of a plow and sprayer, allows it to move in the fields immediately after the rain. The Yanmar PH1, the length of the machine remains at 1900 millimeters, while the width changes to 1340 millimeters for the R. The machine's equipped with a model GB101LN, an air-cooled 4-stroke engine with a total displacement of 0.098 liters. The engine produces 1.6 kilowatts at 1800 RPM, with a maximum output of 2.2 kilowatts. The type of fuel used is unleaded automobile gasoline, and the machine is equipped with a 2-liter fuel tank. Let's move to the Valentini Imperium 12000. The unit operates at a single speed of 1000 RPM and is equipped with 4 axles. .600 diameter reinforced rotor and high-strength steel blades ensure durability and strong performance. This is recognized as one of the machines with outstanding performance for agricultural work because it has features that surprise many people. integrated hydraulic system to extend length up to 12 meters, enhancing operability and flexibility. And this plucker track has 6 conveyors. Up to 16 bins can be carried by connecting to the bin carrier. This system is suitable for moving between 3.5 and 5 meters, and the tree height of up to 4 meters. The cart has swivel wheels and can be used on all types of terrain. Raising the barrel is done manually or with an electric pump. The bin carrier moves powerfully through the full bins. Plucker Track Senior is a versatile and effective harvesting solution. So what's special about the Row automatic planter? Specially designed to work with square blocks measuring 3 to 5 centimeters on each side. A notable aspect is the flexibility in adjusting the range width, starting from 23 centimeters. Is achieved through the use of a very narrow edge of only 7.5 centimeters. The transplanter uses unique robotic grippers that are capable of handling both ornamental and tall trees at a fast speed, while ensuring a quick and gentle transplanting process. Finally, the Zen Eco Tractor agricultural sprayer will help Megatech close out today's video. Equipped with anti-corrosion painted steel frame, the unit supports 2 spray tunnels, and the tank is towed. The 2 tunnels are provided by 2 pairs of plates mounted on a support platform with dampers. Each panel is equipped with a pair of spray nozzles, a spray tank with an air accumulation chamber, an aluminium screen to condense the mixture, a reservoir, and a suction filter.
Thank you for watching all of my videos. Your interest and acceptance is the big thing that makes me want to make more videos. We always listen to your opinions. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Comment down below, and we're always happy to answer. Please subscribe and comment to my channel if you like it, and if you want us to convey through our next videos.